here are the best yield farming projects that I am participating with this October 2021. So this is an updated version of this, and of course, this is also the projects that I'm going to put here is that you do not need to have a really big amount of capital. Okay, you can start with like $40, $50, or even $100, depending on how much money that you are afford to lose. But I mean, this is the highest or the most profitable yield farming projects out there this day. This is updated. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first one is Dogetrix. So this is a DeFi yield project wherein you will be able to earn free Doge whether you are staking, you're having a staking pool, whether you are playing coin toss. So this is more like a play to earn. With whether you are a promoter or a referral, you can also make money here. So you can also make money from yield farming. So you can collect this every single day for free, and of course, the profits that you will be able will actually vary from people to people. So if you're going to look forward here, I do have 587 Doge, which is pretty much equivalent to 137 USD, and this is what I've earned for the last 5 days. Okay, so I'm not taking anything for granted, and this is the reason why I keep on risking some of my money, because you actually want your money to work for you. Okay, you don't actually want your money to slip for you, and that is the main reason for that. And if you're looking forward to try this Dogetrix, you can even start for as low as $2 and even $10. Depends on how much money that you want to risk. Okay, so this is my first project that I'm going to share. The second one is this BNB miner. Okay, so probably you are having this kind of problems, or maybe you are encountering that you're not getting 3% daily right now. Okay, it doesn't matter. What matters here is if you are getting more than 1% or even 5% a year, you're actually doing good than any other people out there. Why? Because the banks are even just giving you 0.0075. It's not even close to 0.5%. And at this BNB miner, you can even get up to 3% a day. Okay, so just imagine your progress in BNB miner rather than just sitting your money into the bank. Okay, the 30 days in BNB miner is more likely 30 years into the bank, and that is the reason why it's very important to always embrace risk, and also risk is your friend. Okay, if you're not gaining if you're not willing to lose something. Okay, so that's pretty much the balance and everything. And you're just going to connect your wallet here. Again, if you are a new here, you can always buy some of these miners. So you can let's say you want to buy one BNB, you will be able to get 279,000 miners. And also you can compound this, or even you can pocket your profit as well. So like what I'm going to show to you, I got 0.10 here, but let me just open my Binance real quick. I just started with 0.03, and now I got some really spicy profits here. Okay, so I already got some. Okay, I think my money now is around 0.2 if I'm not mistaken. Let me refresh this a little bit. Another one. Okay, so I already got it actually. So this is everything that you need to know. Okay, so what happens here is that in 1 month you will get back your ROI. You will not be able to withdraw the miners, the BNB that you used to get a miner, but okay, you'll be able to get your ROI back in less than in a span of 30 days. And if you have some referrals, maybe you can have it on 20 days. And what's good here is that you already got your money back. You do not have any risk. Plus, what do you call that? You do not have any risk anymore. Plus, you are still making money every day. Okay, and that is why it's very crucial to know this kind of things, because um, this is very vital in terms of, you know, making money online, especially in yield farming. And compared to games, yield farming is a lot more complex and also prone to rug pulls. Okay, so I'm not saying that these platforms are rug pulls, but of course you can always assume that it is a rug pull, but always invest what you can afford to lose. And also do not just, you know, food other people like this is a scam or not, because, you know, when you are still paying out, it is not a scam. Okay, so that's just my opinion here. And the last but not the least is BUSD farm. So I created this video a while ago, so you can be able to earn 10% daily on BUSD farm. You will be able to spend up to only 10,000 BUSD. Okay, after that you are not allowed anymore. Okay, so this prevents some of course it's a lot more balanced, because there are more people that are going to get more miners at the cheaper price as well. So as you can see here, this has been running for more than, I think, for 2 weeks now. And the total contract balance is more than 869,000 BUSD. So that's even a closer to a million. Okay, so this is a verified smart contract. What does it mean by that? Smart contract verified is the term wherein the developers can change what's happening inside the contract. So what stays there, it stays there. Okay, it's verified, it cannot be changeable. And the good thing here is that that's pretty much promotes transparency in both sides, from the investor, from the developer, and other people as well. Because if you cannot edit the contract, of course what happens here is that once you are not able to edit it, you do not have any power, like, you know, to manipulate or anything, or maybe even get all of the money, because it is already verified, it is already locked and final. And also it's like the overall website as well is so good. And as you can see here, I got actually only 380 farmers, but now I already got 16 BUSD, which is more like 800 pesos or 16 US dollar, which I can always collect whenever time that I actually want to collect it. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.